In this first module, we will talk about open source software, which is often abbreviated as OSS. We will define what it is and distinguish it from other development models. We will talk about its history from the earliest days in the computer age to its explosion in modern times. We will talk about how collaborative development works, how you can build upon the work of others to produce a better product. We will talk about how you can increase the security of your project by having more eyeballs look at it and lead to higher quality at the same time. And we will talk about the advantages to different classes of stakeholders, including individual users, businesses and marketers, schools from elementary through university, and developers themselves who will be vastly aided by being able to share and collaborate with others.